Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and if you're looking for hotel quality sheet sets, this set from Mellanni is for you. I absolutely love this sheet set. So these are obviously the white ones, which screams hotel room, but they have all sorts of colors, huge variety. What really attracts me to these sheets is how soft they are. So they're really, really smooth, which makes for a wonderful night's sleep. My husband and I both tend to run hot at night, so it's important that we have sheets that are very breathable, and this hits that mark. They wash up really well. They go on the bed super easily. I love that you don't have to struggle to get them on. They have nice deep pockets, and not once has the fitted sheet popped off on me, which happens with a lot of other sheets, especially as you start to wash them, they shrink. We don't have that problem with these ones at all. They always stay snug right around the mattress. The pillowcases are huge and there is tons of extra room. So if you have the king size, they would fit in here no problem. I like that they have the little pocket so that it's not slipping out. It wraps around your pillow perfectly. It's also got the nice little detailing on the edge. Really, really pretty and classy. The top sheet is also crazy long. I like to tuck in the end of my sheet, and some of them just aren't long enough for this. This one has an extra couple of feet at the end. It's insane. Even my husband, when he was making the bed with me, commented on how long the sheets were. So that's really nice when you want that extra room, maybe you're extra tall, or you want to keep it really tucked under the end of your mattress. This is fantastic. So if you want something that's really nice quality, that washes up really well, it's not a wrinkled mess, it goes on really smooth, and it's just extra comfortable. I promise you'll be thrilled with this sheet set. The amount of people that have recommended this alone should speak for itself. You know that you're getting a really popular product that is worth your money, and that's my point of view.